the Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks, okay? Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content. If you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. Y'all, this is literally my first time filming a designer sneaker haul or just like a sneaker haul in general, and I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. Like, I've been trying to build up my sneaker collection video, so the first one I want to show you guys is on the ground, so let me pick that up. So these first ones are Burberry, and you guys know that I recently just got a Burberry coat. These are the Burberry sneakers, and I know these look humongous on me, but keep in mind I am planning just to wear these like during the winter time and stuff like that because it matches with my coat and everything. And they are already naturally like bulky looking, but for like wearing them, like they're not that bad. All I have to wear is like thick socks, then I'll be good. But yeah, they are really true to size with everything. I just purposely got these bigger for the sake of winter and wearing thicker socks. So this is what they look like. Burberry, cute, comfortable. They are really comfortable, and yeah, these are really nice. Next, I got some Nike Air Force Ones, but these are not just like the basic Air Force Ones. Like, these are a little bit different. So this is what it looks like. These are so freaking tight, but like, it's not just a silver. Like, the silver can come off. That's the thing. You can replace it with a gold. Oh, this is the wrong one. And you can replace it with a rose gold one or a gold one. Like, this is so freaking cute, and you can do the exact same thing for the other side, and you can just leave it like this if you want to. But let me show you guys how the gold one looks. You can just put this right here, then boom, like you have a whole different shoe. Like, this is so freaking cool. Then on the tongue, it looks like this has the shiny part, Nike Air with the Nike logo. But yeah, these are not just basic black Air Force Ones. Like, these have a lot of swag to them, which I really like. And I had got these in a size US 7 in men's. Bottom looks exactly the same like the regular Air Force, but the sides though, yeah, these are so cute. And let me show you guys what both of them look like. Like, wow, I'm so in love with these. All you gotta do is switch them up with these. If you're wearing a gold type of accessories or something, you can put gold on here. If you're wearing silver type of accessories, you can just put silver on here. If you're wearing rose gold type of accessories, you can put rose gold right here. Like, there's so many different ideas when it comes to these. Now I'm trying on the Nike customizable swooshes, and y'all, these are so cute. Like, oh my gosh. And these are a size US 7 in men, so these fit pretty good for real. My toe's right here. It's not feeling weird or it's not rubbing on anything. Yeah, these are dope. Like, I really like the black ones with the customizable swooshes. And you can change both sides, not just one side. I forgot to mention that in the video, but yeah, these are customizable on both sides, and you can choose from gold or rose gold, or you can just mix and match them. But yeah, these are really cute. So next, I had got some Balenciagas, okay, and y'all probably know which ones because these are very known, but I had to cop them. I don't have any type of Balenci shoes at all. These are my first pair, so I had got me the Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks, okay? I got those. These are so freaking cute, and oh my gosh, let me tell y'all what the sizing. So with my normal size, I wear a size 8 or 8.5, but mainly an 8 now. So I had got these in I forgot Hold up, y'all, let me find it. Okay, so it's inside. So I got these in a size European 39, so a US 8, and these fit me perfectly, literally so perfectly. I just wanted the basic Balenciagas, the ones with the black underneath. Balenciaga on the back of this tube is like not sketched in, but it's like imprinted in. It doesn't say it like clearly unless you like look really close, but yeah, it says Balenciaga. The bottom looks like this. This is so cute and so comfortable. I actually worn these like in the house to see how they feel, and it's literally like wearing socks, like literally, but with more comfort. So yeah, let me show you guys what both of them actually, and this is what they look like. These are so tight, like y'all gonna really see me wear these a lot because they are so comfortable. It's the comfort for me, it really is. I just love how it looks though. It looks so futuristic looking and casual. You can dress them up and down, like so many different ways you can wear these. And the little baggie that comes with it too, the Balenciaga bag. Let me just show you guys these up close more because I didn't realize I had like this line design on it, which makes them look even more cooler. This is so tight right here. Whew, y'all, I am in love with these. Like, these are so nice and so beautiful and mainly comfortable. Like, I already said that in the video, well, at the beginning, but I just have to emphasize it because these are literally so comfortable. Like, when I walk in these, they don't feel weird. My toe is right here, by the way, and they don't even look huge on me at all, because you know some shoes can make you look like you have like big feet, but these actually look super good. And yeah, so that's how they look on my feet. The sides of them too says Balenciaga. Really cute and comfortable. So last but certainly not least, I had got me the Yeezy Wave Runners. Everybody has them, but I don't care. Like, these look so freaking cool. I've been wanting these for the longest freaking time ever. Same thing with the Balenciagas and all that, but yeah, these two are my favorite out of everything that I got. Like, I love everything. Like, with everything that I got, I've been wanting, but with these two, the Balenciagas and this, I've been really keeping my eye out for these for years. Enough of me talking about them. Let me just show you. Okay, let me just show y'all. This is what they look like, and they fit me perfectly. And I got these in a size US 6.5 for men's. These are so freaking tight. Like, look at these though. And I really like how it's gonna have like a reflection look on it once you put like flash or any type of light, and it's gonna do the same thing with the back right here. And yeah, some people don't like these, but I personally do, because like you can really dress them up. It really depends like what you have in your closet, but really they can go with anything, especially if you have basics. Like, I feel really blessed and I feel really honored to have these. Like, I've been wanting these for so long. Y'all don't understand. But now I finally have them, and honestly, I think I need to spray these with like suede protectant or something, because I don't want to mess them up at all. Like, I'm really gonna take care of these like a baby. So like with this part, it's like suede right here in the back and right here too on the black. So before I even wear these, I have to spray these. These do look a little bit chunky on me, but I swear once you put them on, like, they look normal and they fit perfectly fine. And these are true to size. Everything that I got is true to size. So dope, so comfy, so cute. Oh my gosh, like when I walk in them, like, these feel so comfortable, and I'm not even being dramatic. Like, I feel like I'm walking on clouds with these, and they don't even look weird on my feet. Like, when I cross them, they look very cute, very, like, they just look so stylish for real. And I cannot wait until I actually wear these out. I tie them weird due to like just trying to put them on. Same thing with the other. side. So that's all the sneakers that I had got in this haul. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony, and click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload, okay? And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and DM me if you guys have any questions. So yeah, I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.